So recently we noticed our Shark Navigator wasn't sucking quite as well as it used to. We found that we didn't have to empty the tank quite as frequently, and then also it started to sound a little bit noisier than usual. And I think I finally figured out what the problem was. If you take a look at the front of these vacuums, they have a pre-filter here. This filters the air before it makes its way into the vacuum, but these get kind of dirty after a while. And then also there is this filter element that sits down in the vacuum here, and you can see just how dirty ours is. Just by taking those filter elements out and putting them on the ground, they're shedding dirt everywhere. Thankfully, we were able to find this filter replacement kit, and it comes with 2 pre-filters and then also 4 of these HEPA filters. If we compare them side by side with the old one, you can see just how dirty and dingy these have got. I actually tried to wash this 2 weeks ago, and that's still what it looks like. I'm sure our vacuum is going to be very happy with a fresh set. Here is the OEM foam element side by side with the replacement. You can see the replacement one is about the same. Actually, it's almost exactly the same. The material itself, pretty much identical. Perfect snug fitment. Pre-filter is a perfect fit as well. Now she'll be running like new again. Huge thanks to the brand for sending these out to review.